give you and two friends a chance to play 3-on-3 basketball at the NC State-Florida State game on February 25th. Register your three-person team at any Triangle Area Planet Fitness location or a GoPack.com.